Assalamualaikum. This is group number 5 of FIPEE 13 session, and we have the load management and automatic billing system. This is our PCB. It has 3 CTs and 3 relays. The 3 loads, and 2 of them are of 20 watts, and the middle one is the greatest one, which is 40 watt. And here is a serial monitor which shows the power consumed and the current being eaten by the loads. And this is the display which tells us about the average power, or tell the consumer about the average power and the final units that are being shown. This is a GSM SIM 900 that we are using, and we have set the trip power to be 80 watts, which was when consumed will give 2 warnings to the user, and after the 2 warnings that are being shown in the serial monitor, the greatest of the loads, which is the 40 watt, is shut, and after the fixed time it will be turned on, which will be the rehabilitation of the load, as is the concept of partial shedding of loads. Constantly the power consumed will be given by the display, as it will be shown here. Yes, and then after fixed time, the biggest load that was shut as a consequence of partial shedding will be after the fifth volt. The greatest load will be turned on, as we are waiting it to turn on. Yes, it has turned on, and this cycle will continue. These are the 5 ampere CTs that we are using, and these are the 12 volts relay that we are using. Also the final units will be given by the display that will show. This is the constant serial monitoring device, and the average power, and the final units here will be shown are this. Also the information to user about the final units will be given, as it is shown in this mobile. As we have also told that the average power that is shown on the display will also be sent to the utility, and we have used extra Arduino and the GSM for this purpose. And here is the data that we have combined Excel with the serial monitor, and this is the messages that are received by the utility are shown, which show the power that is consumed by the user. And then the load curve is made on its basis, that is attached with the bill and sent to the user to show how has he used the load in the entire month. And this is then the bill sheet that is made, where the units are entered here and the taxes are included by this, and then the bill is made and sent to the user.